Okay guys, let's have a look at a little intro here for these 20 questions on solving simple trig equations. We're going to solve them between 0 and 360. And basically when you're solving all these sorts of problems, they're best explained by examples, but a couple of little words of intro is probably appropriate. Basically we draw a circle on our xy axes, and we draw a circle 0 to 360 as I've done here. In the positive direction is anti-clockwise. Then we write cast, C-A-S-T. And the cast, that's the word C-A-S-T. And basically they're shorthand. The C stands for cosine, the A stands for all, the S is sine, and the T is tan. And this tells you where their trig ratios are positive between 0 and 360. And if they're not positive, they're negative. So they're either one or the other. So for example then, if sine turns out to be positive in a problem, then basically sine is positive here and here. Yeah, if sine were negative, then we know it's positive here and here in those two, so it must be negative there and there, mustn't it? Once you've determined the quadrants, so let's do an example then. Let's do tan is negative, shall we? Let's have a look at that. So we've drawn our circle, we've written cast, and we've got a problem saying tan is negative. So we need to tick off the quadrants then. Tan is positive where they're all positive and here. So tan is positive here and here. It's either if they're not positive, they're negative. So can you see now the negative quadrants? It's there and there, isn't it? So tick them off. You draw two lines and you mark off alpha to the horizontal. Alpha is called the associated acute angle. It's the angle that the line makes that you've drawn with the horizontal. It's always with the horizontal. That's an easy mistake to make. And then what you do is you solve the problem tan alpha equals the value, and you drop the negative of the number that you've got in the problem. Alright? And it's best explained by examples. This is the process, and this last little step will become clear when you do the examples. Alright, then you solve for alpha, put it in the picture, what the value is, and then you can calculate the actual angles. So you go round. Here's the first solution, for example, going round to there for this problem. And in essence, you tot up 180, take away alpha will be the first solution. Alright, and then the second solution in this example is round 90, round 180, round 270, round to here. And customarily, the easiest way to do that is to go round 360 and back alpha. Back the alpha, and that will give you the second value. Generally you get two solutions. This was 180 minus alpha, wasn't it? So that was the solution in this instance, illustrating this example. But again, as I say, these problems are best explained when you do them by examples. Okay guys, I've got a little email math queue. Any problems you're stuck on, you can always tap the email button on this live worksheet app and capture the picture, and you never know, I might send you a YouTube video solution link. Okay then, all the best, and I'll catch you again. Cheers.